Good evening and welcome to The Big Fight, the oldest running debate show on Indian news television. I'm Sanket Upadhyay. Terrorist Vikas Dubey was a symbol of a systemic rot. He killed 8 cops and God knows how many in his 29-year-old reign and regime. He terrorized Kanpur and nearby areas for those 29 long years. Justice had to be delivered, but I would like to begin the show by showing you a very, very simple explain. So the police went after his gang. This was a great step, as it was seen as the first genuine effort from the UP police to defend their honor, to cripple the Vikas Dubey gang. Dubey too was arrested in Ujjain and then being brought to Uttar Pradesh. The fact that he was caught alive gave hope that we will now know about his masters and where did he get his clout. A genuine attempt to unearth the khaki khadi rot. But then a questionable encounter happened. In fact, a very predictable encounter happened and Dubey was killed. While that should have been his ultimate fate, should this have been the way? Now Dubey is gone and with him are also gone the secrets, the details, the information about his political and police clout, his real bosses, something which now we will never know for sure. So on The Big Fight tonight we ask, is this not just Dubey's encounter but also a possible encounter of the truth? That's going to be our big debate. Let's quickly introduce our guest this evening. I've got Shantanu Gupta, political analyst, joining me in just a short moment. Brinda Grover, an advocate, Supreme Court advocate. Supriya Shrinate, national spokesperson of the Congress Party, is also with us. Mahesh Verma, leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, is also with us. Thank you very much, Mr. Verma, for joining us. In just a short moment, we shall also be joined in by Smita Prakash, the editor of Asian News International, editor of ANI. Thank you so much. Let's first begin with you, Mahesh Verma. The format of the show is very, very simple, so that everybody gets to have their say. We guarantee opinion in what we call the first punch. Mahesh Verma, your 1 minute time to make your opening comment begins now.
विकास के नाम से जिस तरह की बदनाम करने की साजिश की जा रही है, जिस मानसिकता को लेकर आज पूरा जो हमारे विपक्ष के मित्रों ने जिस तरह का आरोप और जिस तरह का मनगढ़ंत बातें जो है लेकर विकास जैसे दुर्दांत आतंकवादी को लेकर, जिसने रातों रात एक आतंक का कायम किया और उस आतंक को आज जब खत्म हुआ तो उसका अभिनंदन और स्वागत करने के बजाय उस खाल में से बाल निकालने का जो काम किया जा रहा है निहायत ही गलत है। जिसकी मां ने कभी कहा था, उस रात को याद करिए कि जब हमारे शहीदों की शहादत हुई, उस शहादत के ऊपर जब उसके माँ से पूछा गया कि आपके बेटे ने ऐसा कुकृत्य किया है, तो उसकी माँ का क्या जवाब था कि ऐसे बेटे का इनकाउंटर कर दो। जिसकी माँ उसका अभिनंदन करती है, स्वागत करती है, ऐसे देश में जहां सेना का सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक होता है उसके ऊपर सवाल खड़ा किया जाता है, जहां एक तरफ जो है अगर कोई अपराधी हो, ऐसा अपराधी बलात्कारी हो जो अगर हैदराबाद में उसका इनकाउंटर होता है तो वहां पुलिस की जो पुष्प वर्षा करके अभिनंदन किया जाता है, वहां अभिनंदन और सम्मान करने के बजाय
for your opening comments are over at this moment. Mr. Mahesh Verma, I promise you we'll come back to you. 1 minute of your opening comment is over. Supriya Shrinate, national spokesperson of the Congress Party. We give everyone a minute time each to make their opening comments. Your 1 minute begins now.
Thank you very much for that, Sanket. I will only say that this encounter actually outlines and underlines the fault lines that exist in UP's law and order situation. It is an absolute shambles. There is definitely no sympathy whatsoever for Vikas Dubey. He deserved even worse. I think he got away too easily. But with him, there are many evidence, many proof of the political criminal nexus in Uttar Pradesh, the kind of people he was in touch with constantly, the MLAs in the BJP government, the ministers that he was in touch with, all of that has been buried. And evidence of this kind should never be buried because political criminal nexus needs to be broken for politics to be clean, for good people to get into politics. That's the first point. The glaring brazenness with which this was done is yet another instance of the Thoko Niti of the encounter policy. And I think the abortion of India's criminal justice system, the abortion of law and order, the abortion
Okay.
of the police becoming the investigator, jury
Okay,
and
okay.
justice is not the
Okay.
hallmark of a democratic
Time
civil
up.
society.
All right, time up. Thank you so much, Supriya Shinate, for your opening comments. Smita Prakash and Vrinda Grover is also with us, advocate in the Supreme Court. Good to have you on the show. Smita Prakash, your first punch, opening comments.
Sanket, thank you. I think the entire operation from Madhya Pradesh to Uttar Pradesh, it just shows that it was sloppy, whether deliberate or otherwise. I mean, from the day of the barbaric killings of the cops, it was quite clear that this cop killer is not going to escape, that he is going to meet with a violent end. Other than Dubey himself, probably, because the swagger of this man in that Mahakal temple, it just goes to show that he thought he's indestructible. You know, like something like Apuni God hai, he probably thought. I mean, whoever imagined that this would not happen, tell me, that there would be no encounter. I mean, we can intellectualize it and say that encounter is not the right thing, and you know, he should have gone through the justice system like Kasab did, like Afzal Guru did. But the fact is that he would have probably walked out. He would have walked out because our criminal justice system is so broken. It is so terrible that today in Kanpur Dehat or in Etawah or Eta or any place in Muzaffarnagar, they are all celebrating. Why are they celebrating? It's something that we should all, we educated people
Sure.
should hang our heads in shame.
Sure.
That this is what it is, that there is celebration of extrajudicial killings
Absolutely.
in our country today.
And which is not appropriate, but obviously this tells us a little about the sort of a broken system we have as of this moment. Shantanu Gupta, your 1 minute.
Sanket, from last 6 years in various TV channels, because being Yogi's biographer, I've been called, and I'm hearing 3-4 counter to what Yogi's government is doing. First, they said he's a Brahmin guy, Vikas Dubey is a Brahmin guy, Yogi will never catch a upper caste guy. Then the whole Lutein Twitterati yesterday start tweeting, oh, he's fled to Nepal, right? They try to confuse. And then when Yogi police caught all his henchmen or killed all his henchmen, made him run from district to district, made him run from state to state, strangled all his economic resources. Finally, when he got arrested in Ujjain, and then he said, oh my God, such a simple arrest, he should have been encountered. That was the Twitterati telling. And when finally he was fleeing away, now he already killed 8 policemen. We don't want any policemen to die in the hands of this dirty man. And finally they killed him. KTS Tulsi told in Supreme Court once, couple of years back, while defending Punjab police, there are only 2 types of cop, a quick cop or a dead cop. So today, I think we want to stand with a government which settled Vikas Dubey, or want to stand with government which have made Vikas Dubey what he is today.
Sure. Vrinda Grover, your opening comments, ma'am.
Okay. Having heard the other panelists, let me be very clear. I am just now going to speak about what does the Constitution say? What is the rule of law? Regardless of the regime in power, irrespective of the person who has been shot dead. Today's encounter, which is actually a euphemism for extrajudicial killing, does not give any further safety to any person, just as the Hyderabad, Disha extrajudicial killings did not make the women safer. It is an extremely unfortunate moment in a constitutional democracy and republic where the police is becoming increasingly powerful, and that impunity is being cheered by political parties and by other people. And we are being told that if you are going to stick to rule of law, then you are actually not understanding what is happening. The police is not doing this because the criminal justice system is broken. The police is doing this because they do not want the justice system to be worked. They do not want to be held accountable. They do not want to be held responsible.
Okay.
There is a continuum between the custodial torture in Tamil Nadu and the extrajudicial killing that is happening here.
Okay.
We want the courts to decide, not political class.
Courts should decide. It should not. These matters should not be decided outside the court. Absolutely. Vrinda Grover, thank you very much. All of you have made your opening comments, the first punch. Mr. Mahesh Verma, my colleague Alok Pandey wants you to hear an interview with a relative of a slain cop, Devendra Mishra. He spoke in the afternoon. He was a slain cop. He was killed. He was one of the 8 who were killed. And this relative says, you kill one Vikas Dubey, 10 others will rise. We need to strike at the roots and more. I mean, he spoke in Hindi. I'm translating it in English. कि आज आप एक मारेंगे, कल 10 पैदा होंगे. जड़ से खत्म करिए ना. ऐसे एक एक गैंगस्टर को आप अटैक करते रहेंगे तो उससे जड़ से समस्या खत्म नहीं होगी।
बिल्कुल, उसको जड़ से ही खत्म करने का ये प्रयास था।
कैसे?
वो अगर जड़, आप मुझे ये बता दीजिए कि अगर विकास दुबे के साथ जितने भी लोग थे, आज वो कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी तरह से वो अपने अंजाम को भुगत चुके हैं। और विकास दुबे को लेकर जिस तरह की बातें कही जा रही है, मुझे तो बड़ा हास्यास्पद और बहुत अजीब सी बात लग रही है ये, कि जिस दिन 8 हमारे पुलिसकर्मी शहीद होते हैं, उस दिन के आप इनके बयान को उठा लीजिए, उस दिन के इनके स्टेटमेंट को उठा लीजिए। आज शांतनु जी गलत क्या कह रहे हैं, सही कह रहे हैं। सियासत क्या इस तरह के अपराध के ऊपर होगी, इस तरह के अपराधी के ऊपर होगी? यही सियासत का रह गया है ढर्रा। पूछिए ना उन लोगों से, जिस दिन शहीद हुए ये 8 हमारे पुलिसकर्मी, जिस दिन ये लोग उस रात कैसे कैसे इनके बोल बच्चे निकलते गए कि क्या हो गया, आतंक का राज आ गया, खौफ आ गया, उत्तर प्रदेश में सब चीजें चरमरा गई, खत्म हो गई, कुछ बचा नहीं। आज वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि विकास दुबे मर गया तो वो चीजें दफन हो गई। अरे कितने इनकाउंटर हुए हैं। कम से कम अखिलेश यादव जी के राज में याद करिए, रामवृक्ष यादव को जब मारा गया, क्या हम ये कह दें?
नहीं महेश वर्मा जी, देखिए ऐसा है, उन्होंने इतने किए, हमने इतने किए एनकाउंटर्स, एंड दैट टू क्वेश्चनेबल एनकाउंटर्स हैव बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ एवरीवन's life, and more so in Uttar Pradesh. And my problem over here is that it is being institutionalized. It is being seen as some sort of an alternative, that rather than fixing the system, you'd much rather quickly execute,
संकेत जी, मुझे
shoot and be done with it.
No, मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाह रहा हूं आपको कि ये जो पॉलिटिकल कंपल्सन आपको इस तरह के अपराध और अपराधी के बारे में, उसको महिमा मंडित करने के बारे में, उसको लेकर तरह तरह के अनर्गल विलाप और प्रलाप करने की जो ये कोशिश की जाती है,
महेश जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, सुप्रिया शिनेट, is this not a telling commentary that a government, one moment, a government should have ensured, वो जीवित पकड़ा गया था, सुप्रिया शिनेट, he was caught alive, right, in the Mahakal temple. In fact, he was being slapped around in Madhya Pradesh. I don't understand how suddenly he crossed the border and he became so ferocious. A person who's being slapped around just a day ago. Supriya, the point is, was it not the responsibility of this very government to follow the procedure and bring him to book, bring him to justice?
Sanket, that's precisely my point, and I will just indulge me for 30 seconds. I'm going to go a little astray. The encounter policy is an absolute force as far as UP government is concerned, and the Chief Minister doesn't shy away from saying, "Thoko niti apnai hai humne." He says that. I think Mahesh Verma will not contradict me on this. He says people will be executed if they do not, the police is at liberty to do that. There is only one thing that I have to ask. Has that ended the Gunda Raj in UP? 2017, this government took office. 2020. In the last 3 years, on every criminal parameter, crime against women, crime against children, illegal weapon, crime against elderly, any criminal parameter that you talk about, it has only gone up. The rate of crime. One second, the rate of crime, please. The rate of crime has only gone up. And I just have one thing to ask.
Yeah, very quickly. I think some interjections are coming.
Absolutely. Will the police in this country today be the investigator, judge, and jury? Will tomorrow be executing people on a charaha and say, this is what justice is? Are we in Afghanistan?
Okay, very quickly. Are we in Afghanistan, says Supriya Shinet of the Congress Party. Shantanu Gupta with the right to reply. Yes, Shantanu.
Hello, Sanket.
Yeah, Shantanu. You heard what Supriya had to say. Your right to reply, please.
Exactly. Yeah, Sanket, we know, I think very well, all of us, that in north of India, in Bihar and UP, who has institutionalized criminalization in politics? It's Mulayam Singh Yadav in Uttar Pradesh, which Mayawati followed, and Lalu Prasad Yadav. Mukhtar Ansari, Afzal Ansari, Atiq Ahmed, Shahabuddin, now Vikas Dubey,
37% of legislators in the BJP government have heinous criminal charges against them. What are you talking about?
Is your name Shantanu? I can also interject. I can also heckle you. Have a guts to listen.
One by one, please.
I'm just stating a fact, Sanket, just for everybody's consumption. 37% of BJP legislators in Uttar Pradesh Assembly have serious, heinous criminal charges against them.
मालूम है कि आपसे ज़्यादा जानकारी किसी को यहाँ है नहीं चैनल में.
Uttar Pradesh, I have done a lot of research. I've been to almost every district of Uttar Pradesh. I don't know, have you been to even Lucknow or not? So don't counter me on facts. Come on.
Listen, please, I am from UP, so don't talk to me in that tone. I am from UP. I was born and raised in UP. My constituency is in UP. You may not know. So please don't. Listen, don't you dare patronize me. You answer my question. You said criminalization. 37% of your legislators have criminal background. 37% of BJP
One by one,
legislators
please.
have
One by
criminal
one.
background.
Okay, let's.
Don't
Shantanu
dare
Gupta, can you
patronize
please?
me with a quiz
संजय
on
जी ये
UP.
क्या हो रहा
Can
है?
you, one moment? Can you play one moment? Shantanu Gupta, please finish your
आप
reply,
हम लोगों
and then
को तो
Smita
टोकते
Prakash.
रहते हो, बोलते रहते हो, कहते रहते हो कि जलेबी बनाते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं?
Shall I say?
अरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए ना,
one
सवाल का
moment.
जवाब
See
दे
that
नहीं पा रहे हैं.
the moment we now one moment. Shantanu Gupta, very quickly, please
So again,
finish your argument.
Let me tell you 2-3 points about this guy, the Vikas of Vikas Dubey. 2001, he shot a BJP person inside a police station. He shoots a BJP person, and people saying he's BJP, right? And he never seen this light inside the jail. He's never been to the jail. Once when he went to the jail,
No, is this
Mulayam
not the
Singh Yadav
weakness
had
of
the
a
chance
system?
Mulayam Singh Yadav had the chance to go to Supreme
You forget,
High Court.
Mulayam Singh Yadav is not in power right now.
Said no.
It is the BJP's government.
That's the problem. They are an
It is-
ostrich. They have their head in the
No,
sand.
one moment. If you're trying to tell me, if you're Shantanu Gupta, if you are at this moment trying to tell me,
seen perspective.
Shantanu
Finally,
Gupta,
he was in jail in 2017.
if
Do you
at
know
this
he was
moment
in
you're
jail
trying
in
to tell me
2017
that
he named
he
BJP
escaped the
MLA
law
as having to protect
in the
him.
past,
नहीं
then this
संकेत
is
जी,
no
लेकिन अगर
explanation.
मुलायम
Right
सिंह
now
यादव,
it
अखिलेश
is
यादव,
Yogi
मायावती,
Adityanath's government.
अतीश
Ensure that
मुख्तार,
justice
अभय
is
सिंह,
delivered.
ब्रजेश सिंह, ये तमाम नामों को जो
No, one moment.
इनके
Vrinda
टीम में
Grover,
लेकर आए,
are we to
20
understand that
years
this
he
is
was
the
running
future?
amok. For
That to
20 years he
quickly
was
deliver
running amok. You want to
justice.
stand with
What he
Mulayam
did
Singh
was
Yadav,
wrong.
Akhilesh and Mayawati, who made him run amok. And you don't
Vrinda
want to
Grover,
stand with
what he did was wrong.
You arrested him. Finally,
What he
in
did-
whose Raj is encountered.
What he-
May I
Vrinda Grover,
speak?
what he
Mr.
did
Yogi,
was
may I speak?
wrong.
2017
Criminal act. The police has
Yet
called
you'll
him a
have to get
terrorist.
others to remain silent first.
One
Please
by one,
control the program a little bit.
Vrinda Grover.
Thank you. Sanket, I actually want to first point out something which I think the television net channels are responsible for. You have made all serious rights issues which affect the life and liberty of ordinary citizens and every citizen of this country into a football match between political parties. I refuse. All political parties are equally culpable, responsible for the culture of impunity and the lawlessness that we are seeing in this country. What is happening on your channel is that the constitution is being kicked by one political party into the to the other, and that is what we are witnessing. And this is where the problem lies. Gangsters thrive due to political patronage of all hues. Let's confront facts. Let's deal with what the law says. The law is not a luxury. I heard a senior person in your panel just now say, people will intellectualize it. What is the intellectualization of right to life? So it will depend entirely on the whim and fancy.
There's no right to life of
the
policeman.
police.
There is no
May
right to
I-
life for the
may I-
150 criminal
can you
cases that
please-
he's
One by one.
May I come in?
Can you
One by
please
one,
not
one by one.
interject?
Two people want to
Okay,
interject. Yes,
you will-
Smita,
you will only-
you will get
you
your
will
right
only
to
have
reply.
other interactions.
Let Vrinda
Please let
complete her
me-
I will
argument.
interject. You'll
May
No,
I
cut
please
me
do
off.
not interject.
That's the way you want to run a
Learn
debate.
to hear each other out. That's what a democracy is about. Have basic respect for another person's views. I did not interrupt anybody, and I will not interrupt
Yes,
anybody
Ms.
also.
Grover, you were saying.
What does the law say? I am going to point out what the law says. This is an attempt to end the justice system. The political class in nexus with the police is trying to end the justice system, is trying to ensure that people do not turn to courts. This is a myth that is being sold to us, that this is instant justice. This is instant killing at the whims of the political nexus with the police. What does the law say? The law says that now there should be an FIR registered, there should be an independent investigation, there should be a judicial magistrate inquiry, and if everybody is so confident that this was a real encounter, the UP government should say we stand by an independent court-monitored SIT today. Every party should say it. Let the government say it.
Okay.
Prove it.
But
How
you know,
many
the
encounters?
problem, Ms. Grover,
Sanket,
over here
Sanket, let me
is
add
that
some
there
facts.
has been a 29-year-old track
May I
record,
come
Ms. Grover. Smita Prakash, I
May I
want to
come
come
in?
to you.
No,
I
Shantanu,
think
need
what
to-
Vrinda
I
Grover
need to
mentioned.
come in.
Which police and political class allowed Vikas Dubey to thrive? Today, they
Samajwadi
should be
Correct.
the dog.
Correct.
Samaj Party.
Telling us.
Which is why, had he been alive,
How-
we would have had
how-
this chance to
No,
know
may I
who the
come in,
political
please?
masters are. Now we don't.
Precisely.
Smita
Sanket,
Prakash,
may I-
Evidence and proof have
Smita
gone.
Prakash,
The law is the lifeline of a
your
person in this
comment
Yeah, may I-
on intellectualizing
may I-
this encounter has not
Ms.
gone down too well.
Ms. Grover, you have spoken. Yeah. I get that. Now, Ms. Grover finds the media at fault. finds politicians at fault, finds the police at fault, but the judiciary is above board, right? Everything about the judiciary is fine. There are crores of cases waiting in the judiciary not being solved. I'm sorry, the people of India do not have faith in the judiciary, and the judiciary needs to step up. I agree, the media is at fault, politicians are at fault, everybody is at nexus, but the judiciary is not above board. And who are we crying about? We're crying about a merciless killer. I agree that killing this extrajudicial killing is murder, couched as instant justice. But had we waited for this justice in the 80s, we would have lost Punjab. In the 80s, in the 90s, we would have lost Kashmir. We would have lost Nagaland. The Naxal belt would have gone out of control. In Jammu and Kashmir, we would have still been losing. Everywhere we would have. I understand that the system needs to be rectified and we need to have faith in the system. But today, if there are people celebrating, ma'am, it's not because of media putting up this football in every channel that you're talking about. It's because our judicial system has failed us.
Okay.
It's because the police getting an
question
FIR
everything,
registered.
but question
You
the
can
judiciary
talk
as
about
well.
it
I
in-
think
in-
Smita has a point
and
over
I
there.
repeat, it's intellectualizing.
Okay, Smita, I think Vrinda Grover, Smita
I
has
have
a point.
appeared for victims of an extrajudicial killing. And
No,
I
no,
will tell
Vrinda,
you when
Vrinda
the
Grover.
inspection comes.
So all
No,
arms
sir,
of the Constitution need to
Don't make
function.
it personal. Don't make it personal. It's not just about
I
you.
won't make it
It's not
personal.
just
I-
about you. I'm sorry. It's about the entire system. Don't tell me I did this and I did that. It's about the entire system. Are you failing to
Yes.
say that the judiciary
No,
has failed
I am
us?
not.
That Dubey has
You
been
will
out
stop
just because of police? No. Yes, we need police
Sanket, may I
reforms,
come
but
in,
we need
please?
judicial reforms.
Yes, I agree with you. I agree with you. I don't know why you think I disagree with you. This is not an either or, madam. Both are needed.
Okay,
Both are needed.
okay.
It's not
One by
an
one.
either
Both
or.
are needed. Vrinda Grover, you know, it is also a reality.
I don't know why
It
you
is also a
think one
reality.
or the
I
other
think
will
Smita has made her point.
Police accountability and judicial reforms must walk hand in hand.
Absolutely.
It's not an either or.
Absolutely.
Why are you
But then
presenting
the
them as
point
though
is,
they are
there is not just
police
one institution to
That's not
blame.
true.
All are to blame. That's the point Smita is making. By the
It's
way,
not all are to blame.
my colleague.
No, the police has committed a crime. Please, you can't put the two on par, for God's sake.
Come on,
Okay.
come on. How do you know the facts, Vrindaji? How do you know the facts?
I'm
Were you
asking
there at the
why-
site? Were
No,
you there
come
at
on,
the site?
Shantanu. At the very
That is
least,
very
this is a
obvious.
sloppy
If you
story
do
from
not
the
know,
police.
then you have to
I'm
something
sure
very wrong.
all of
You
us
don't
agree.
know that.
This
No,
story,
don't be a
this
James
story,
Bond. Don't be a James Bond.
Sanket, may I please
No,
come in?
You're not a James Bond. Come
bad
on.
script
You
from the
are the
UP
only
police,
rightful guy in the
which,
police.
by the way,
Sanket,
for the
may I
past
please
3
come in?
years is not
Come
changing.
on.
All encounters happen the same way. अपराधी गाड़ी से निकल के भाग रहा है, बंदूक निकाल रहा है और उसके ऊपर गोली आपने चला दी.
संकेत,
All
may I
stories
please
are
come
the
in?
same.
गाड़ी
Come
पलटा
on,
दी अपने आप. 2000 किलो की गाड़ी पलटा दी.
Let's start the
Some
investigation.
get a better script.
Sanket,
Some
may I
Rohit
please
Shetty
come
movie
in?
is going on here.
नहीं नहीं
come on.
संकेत,
That's
ये
the
स्क्रिप्ट
script.
की बात
Come
नहीं
on,
है.
I
ये
don't
स्क्रिप्ट
agree
की
with
बात
you.
नहीं है. अभी
This-
इन्वेस्टिगेशन
Come on,
होना
Sanket.
है.
This
Before
police
trial,
is-
before
Coming to
submission
it.
any
You're a
documents
senior
before the
journalist.
court, it's early to say about the anything, about the cook the story, about the anything, whatever you are telling now.
Sanket,
कि भाई
may I
वहाँ
come
जो है उल्टा दिया गया, पलटा दिया गया.
It's
ये
a-
सारी चीजें,
Mahesh
ये सारी
Verma,
चीजें encounter,
let us agree there are
encounter की
just
सारी
so
बातें
many
कोर्ट के
loopholes
आगे
in the
रखी
police
जाएगी.
argument as of this moment. It's a sloppy story. Period.
Something
Sloppy
you feel,
story.
You feel. So let's not
Sanket, may I
Supriya
please come in?
Supriya
Let's not
Shinate,
try to be
Supriya
James
Shinate,
Bond
is
in
it
this
not
channel.
right? One moment. Shantanu, I'm going to come back to you. Supriya Shinate,
Yeah.
I want to read out what my colleague Kamal Khan, he's a very senior journalist, he's our resident editor in Lucknow, and this is what he tweeted. And I think each and every word, and Smita may agree with me, each and every word of what he has written is true. Now he says, fine, there's one theory that had he been alive, we would have perhaps known about his political masters. And there is theory number 2, which is something in all likelihood would have happened in UP. Had he been alive, number 1, no one would have spoken against him out of fear. Number 2, he would have become a tall leader of his community. Number 3, he could have become a minister or an MLA in 2022 by representing his community. Number 4, cops who went to look for him would have then been providing him security in Lucknow outside his bungalow. And number 5, which Smita Prakash will agree with me 100% I'm sure, is that we in the media would have been standing outside that bungalow waiting for him to react on crucial issues. Unfortunately, this is the reality of the system, Supriya. And that's why people
I
get
don't-
frustrated.
I don't disagree with you at all. And Sanket, let me be absolutely clear. I think Vikas Dubey deserved even worse. He got away too easily by just 4 bullet shots, if you ask me. He deserved worse. But what we don't understand is that at the rock bottom of what you read out of Kamal Khan is the unholy political criminal nexus. And unless that unholy criminal political nexus is not exposed,
But who
not
will do it,
broken,
Supriya?
we will not be able to fix the system. There were too many proofs, there were too many evidences. He has a call data record that should be pulled out. In 2017, he's named some legislators of the BJP he was in touch with
अरे भाई,
who
तो क्या
helped him
आज
get
वो
an
CDR,
affidavit.
आज वो
Why
कॉल
can we-
डिटेल खत्म हो गया? आज
अरे
भी
सर,
है
एक
वो?
मिनट बोल लेने
Okay,
दीजिए।
Mahesh
शांत
Verma
होइए,
says-
बात बोल लीजिएगा।
This is a subject
Why
matter of
should
future
those things not be
investigation.
out? Why should those things not be out? He has in 2017
Sanket,
talked about
Sanket, come on,
named
please allow us
specific
to speak.
legislators.
One moment.
I mean, I'm just trying to
Don't run this
understand
one-sided
why are
debate.
we running away from
कब
the
चाहिए
first and the
आपको?
only problem? The basic problem is the unholy political criminal nexus. Unless that doesn't get broken, we will keep debating these things in television studios. like
Mahesh
this, and
Verma,
nothing
very
in
quickly.
India will
Mahesh
change.
Verma and Shantanu Gupta.
देखिए, मुझे साफ दिखाई देता है कि ये जो चीजें आज जिस तरह का ये विलाप और जिस तरह का ये प्रलाप शुरू हुआ है, ये सियासत के अलावा
एक तो
कुछ
ये
नहीं
शब्द आप मत
है।
use
विकास
करिए।
दुबे
बिल्कुल गलत शब्द
के
आप
नाम
use कर रहे हैं।
अरे you
विकास
will not
दुबे
decide
का
what
नहीं कर रहा है,
Come on,
बिल्कुल भी
come
नहीं
on.
कर रहा है।
Sanket,
मैंने बोला उसको और भी बुरा होना
बबुआ
चाहिए
दुबे
था।
मरता है,
decide
उसके और
what-
साथी
what-
मरते
what
हैं।
someone will speak, what someone will
क्या
not speak.
किसी के ऊपर कुछ नहीं बोलने की किसी से उम्मीद रखी
One by
जाती
one.
है?
But, the
क्यों
rule
भाई?
is that please don't get personal.
शब्द
Mahesh
ठीक use
Verma.
करिए सर।
One moment. The
मैं
rule is
पूछता
make
हूं-
your point, make it strongly. Please don't get personal, and that is applicable to
मैं-
all, including me. Mahesh
किसी
Verma.
के- मैं सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहता हूं अपने कांग्रेस के मित्रों से, अपने सपा और बसपा के मित्रों से कि जिस दिन हमारे शहीदों पुलिस कर्मियों का शहादत हुआ, जिस दिन उसने जान लिया और कहा कि मैं उसको कुएं में डाल के दफनाना चाहता हूं, उस दिन के बाद आज ये सब बोलने की जरूरत क्या थी? अपराधियों को संरक्षण इस बात से मिलता है, बल इस बात से मिलता है कि जब कोई अपराधी का अंत हो, जब उसका खौफ का अंत हो, तो उसका अभिनंदन करना चाहिए, स्वागत करना चाहिए, या उसके
नहीं
ऊपर
करना
सवाल
चाहिए,
उड़ाना
तो ये
चाहिए?
सवाल आपसे भी पूछा जाएगा
एक
महेश
बात,
वर्मा.
दूसरी
One moment.
बात,
Now
इस
here is the
में-
question that I have for you.
संकेत जी, मेरी बात
संकेत,
complete
बुलंदशहर
होने
में एक
दीजिए,
पुलिस
please.
वाला था.
Please,
बुलंदशहर, there was a
complaint
UP
from
police
the
officer in बुलंदशहर.
ये मजाक
who
की
was
बात नहीं
killed.
है, ये
One-
इनकी
Mahesh
मानसिकता
Verma,
की
will you
बात
listen
है।
to my
ये
question?
लोग बढ़ावा देते हैं।
महेश
ये
वर्मा, will you listen to my
अपराधियों को
question?
संरक्षण देने में सलमान खुर्शीद क्या बोलते हैं, आप इनसे
महेश
पूछिए।
वर्मा, Mahesh
सलमान
Verma, will you
खुर्शीद
please
क्या
listen to my
बोलते हैं,
question?
आप पूछिए।
आप नहीं
बसपा
पता है,
नेत्री
one by one.
मायावती क्या कहती हैं तब?
Okay,
जब
I'm going to
शहीद
come back to
कर्मी
this
आग
question
मर
a little
जाते हैं,
later.
तब
Mahesh
क्या
Verma.
बोलती हैं और अब क्या बोलती हैं?
महेश
अब
वर्मा.
प्रियंका जी तब क्या बोलती हैं, अब क्या बोलती हैं? ये क्या मतलब बनता है?
अच्छा, आप तब क्या बोलते हैं और
ये
अब क्या
बंद
बोलते हैं
कर
उसके
दीजिए।
बारे
मैं
में
बोलता
बता
हूं,
दीजिए.
मैं बोलता हूं, मैं वही बोलता हूं।
बुलंदशहर में इंस्पेक्टर सुबोध सिंह के परिवार
गलत के साथ खड़ा है। इस
को
चीज
आप
को
क्या
बंद
जवाब दे
करिए।
पाएंगे?
को लेके,
अपनी
कसाब
मानसिकता
को
को
लेके,
बदलिए।
अफजल गुरु को
आपकी
लेके,
मानसिकता
हर आदमी
बहुत
को लेके
गंदी है।
राजनीति
इस
Okay, need to
मानसिकता
snap
को
out
हर
of
आदमी
this.
को लेके
We need to
सवाल
snap
करना
out of
गलत
this
के साथ
conversation.
खड़ा है।
Smita Prakash.
एक दिन जब आप
स्मिता
रुकेंगे
प्रकाश, I
तो
want to
पता
get you in at
चलेगा।
this
सारा
moment.
विपक्ष गलत संसार खड़ा है।
Getting a
आप
little
सही फंक्शन
noisy.
की औलाद है। ये बंद कर दीजिए।
To a
ये
point
मानसिकता
where we
बिल्कुल
are
बंद
not
कर
being
दीजिए।
able to understand. One moment. Smita Prakash, I want to come to you. See, the point is that there is no uniformity in the political answer. Now, does the BJP decide, or has the UP government decided that we will go after each and every person who attacks the pride of the UP police? Then in that case, what has happened to those who have been alleged to kill Inspector Subodh Singh in Bulandshahr? They were garlanded when they came out, just because they were allegedly associated with the right wing. Where is the uniformity? Different strokes for different
No,
folks.
see what happens. Don't expect a uniformity. Don't expect a uniformity. Where have you seen a uniformity in any state, right? I mean, UP gets tarnished every time. I don't say that it shouldn't, because in all the graphs it tops all the graphs, all the negative graphs, right? Now the thing is that what you mentioned when you said that, you know, we will be sitting out there and we will probably be, had Vikas Dubey gone through the whole judicial process, how many witnesses would have come? You tell me. Did any witness come in 2000 when it happened? He doesn't. For the past 30 years he's been doing what he wanted to, and 20 years, and nobody came. No witnesses come. The evidences get tarnished. You know, the entire system is so rogue that he would have probably walked out, and you rightfully say hum log soundbite lene uske ghar ke samne aate if he had joined politics. The fact is that today, tell me what has happened with Dawood Ibrahim. He went away, right? How many politicians, film stars, businessmen were seen, photographs were taken? Did all the secrets come out? Yes, it's very frustrating. Many of us, even I tweeted today that the secrets have got killed because he got killed.
Correct.
But the fact is, even if he had been in custody,
Those
what
secrets
secrets
would
would
not
have
have
come
been
out?
out.
Veerappan had political patronage. Did anybody go to jail because of Veerappan? That was also, he was also killed. No extrajudicial killing.
Okay.
What happens? Nothing happens because, as Brinda Grover says, the system is broken. The system has to be set right. When will it be set right? When? Do we wait unnecessarily, keep on waiting? Fine. What happened was murder. Okay, if you are saying it was sloppy, what happened, the way he was brought from there, he walks 50 steps, there's not a blob of kicchad on him, where everywhere there is kicchad out there. He walks through there and then he's shot in the chest, the cops have just a few injuries. It is incredulous what happened. But the fact is, look at the country today. It is celebrating, saying, Acha hua. Why are they saying Acha hua? Because people like us are sitting in debates, right? People like us are sitting out here and saying, system ke mutabik chalo. We are the people who benefit from the system. But people who are living in the hinterlands, they are the ones who suffer the
Suffering
system.
because of the
they are the
system.
ones who
Okay.
say, Acha hua jo
Okay.
vikas ke saath.
Okay.
Hua."
Vrinda Grover.
Vikas Dubey.
Vrinda Grover wants
That
to come
also
in.
say,
Vrinda.
"Is Swarn jati
Yes,
ke aadmi ko justice mila."
Thank you, Sanket.
Vrinda.
Just a few points I wish to make. I think we need to understand what is it that we call the justice system. A case that goes before the court, who investigates the case? Who builds the case? Who collects the evidence? On what evidence does the court decide? Not for a moment am I saying that the judicial system does not need reform. Yes, it urgently, desperately needs reform of many kinds. But please understand, the police is the foundation of the criminal justice system. The very same police that has today committed an extrajudicial killing is the one that does not collect the evidence, is the one that creates the weak case. So the police is not away from this. Therefore, you cannot disjunct this and say the police is compelled to do this. The police is not doing this because it takes long in the court. The police is doing this because it wishes to usurp the power of the court and to make this into a state run. The
But
dictates of
Vrinda
the
Grover,
police-
I don't think this is the police's decision. I don't think whatever decision
Yes,
they
it
took
is.
was their own.
Both. I just want to make 2 points and then I will have to leave the show at sharp 9:30. I apologize for that
Sure,
in advance.
not a problem.
Please understand, when a case, particularly of extrajudicial killing, what is the FIR that the law says? It's a 2014-2019 judgment of the Supreme Court of India. The law says register an FIR of 302. Has it been registered? Not to my knowledge. Please let me know if it has. Why? Because then you have an investigation. You have to have a videograph post-mortem. If everybody is so sure that this was real, let's have that investigation. He's anyway dead now. We only need to see, did the police work according to law? The other problem is, all extrajudicial killings, have they only always killed rogues? Do we not know many innocent persons who've lost their lives?
Yeah,
Why does
that's an
prosecution-
interesting
Oh my
point.
God, now we are calling
Because
Vikas
once
Dubey
you
innocent.
once you start justifying, then there is no
Vikas
end.
Dubey has become
Yes.
innocent. Oh my
One
God.
last point. One
Yeah,
last point.
quickly,
Why
ma'am.
do prosecutions get stalled? Do you know that the law requires the state to sanction the prosecution of a police officer because it is claimed that that encounter is in the course of duty? Who gives that permission? The Home Department of the state. Do those sanctions come through? No. These are all matters of research and record available in this country.
Okay.
So the nexus between all political parties and criminal, which the police, this is an attempt to ensure that rule of law is removed. And
Okay.
who needs the rule
And
of
the
law?
judiciary,
mo-
ma'am, आप judiciary को क्यों छोड़ रही हैं?
We
Judiciary
keep coming
also.
back to the same
Put in
point.
the judiciary
Their
also,
job है
ma'am.
वो.
Put in the
I
judiciary
think
also.
that point has been made. All right, Vrinda Grover, many thanks for joining us. Let me also quickly introduce Ghanshyam Tiwari, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and A.K. Jain, former DGP of Uttar Pradesh. They're also here. Thank you very much, Mr. Jain, as well as Mr. Tiwari. Since you have joined us late, Shantanu, I'm going to come to you. Two of our guests have joined in late, so let me quickly get in their response, and I promise I'll come back to you. Yes, Ghanshyam Tiwari. So there was an allegation that all political dispensations have helped Vikas Dubey, including the Samajwadi Party. How do you respond?
Well, there are two things that stand out. One, with respect to the killing today itself, and two, the rise of Vikas Dubey. I think the rise of Vikas Dubey is out there. I think it is good that we have an independent media that has put out a lot of facts on the table. And as Samajwadi Party, whose name was put out by the media, we said that the last 5 years of call records of this criminal should be put in public domain. I think it is a fair demand.
No, why
the
last
second
5
thing
years?
that You can make it 10 years. Whatever we have said, what we have said is his nexus will be clear once you put all his call records in public domain.
So that can happen even now.
Yes, but it hasn't happened. Second thing that we said is that this drama only tells that the drama that was enacted yesterday and today only tells that the state can get away whatever it wants. Uttar Pradesh from BJP itself. I can be partisan. I am SP spokesperson. From BJP itself, Uttar Pradesh has more than 150 MLAs and MPs who have criminal records. Yogi Adityanath and Keshav Prasad Maurya, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, did not do social service to rise in politics. They have crime records that are taller than the mark sheets of various BJP spokespersons. So clearly, you cannot say that now extrajudicial killing is a new thing. There is a public sympathy for it, just like BJP built public sympathy for mob lynching. So let's go out and whoever the state picks,
this is such a
in one
slippery
morning,
slope,
we will go
Ghanshyam
and
Tiwari, because if I hand the stage to a BJP spokesperson right now, a Shantanu Gupta or a Mr. Mahesh Verma, they will tell us a lot about the Samajwadi Party's own track record.
They should.
Having criminals on board.
I will not oppose it. I think they should. But the point is, they should tell based on facts. They should not lie. Since morning, this government, its police and certain people who support it have lied in the face of common man, as if the common man is a fool. The common man does not know that a safari car, the criminal was moving a safari car.
Okay.
A TUE as per STF came face to face with a cow. Look at the foolishness that they want in the common man. That this guy jumped from the safari.
The story doesn't make sense as of this moment, unless we have more details. We'll have to wait for those details.
It means that you take the politics lightly. You want to build mob justice system in India, and if mob justice system is the aspiration of BJP, the crowd lynching regime.
By the way,
that Uttar
Ghanshyam
Pradesh
Tiwari, there have been many encounters in the SP regime also, many encounters in the BSP regime also. So, as I said, politically, it's an absolutely slippery slope, right?
It is, but I think those governments have been shunned by the people because people want a better government.
Shantanu Gupta wanted to respond, and then AK Jain.
Sanket, we are all sitting in our AC houses, very nice in Corona times, very easy to comment. Remember when KTS Tulsi was defending a lot of Punjab police cops after the insurgency was ended? He was KTS Tulsi, who is a Congress MP even now, right? He said there are only two types of cop. There is a quick cop or a dead cop. Very easy to intellectualize here, right? And James Bond, okay, there was a loophole here, this car, that car. This Vikas Dubey was arrested. There are 5 years of the other. Years of Mayawati, 5 years of Akhilesh, didn't.
Okay, Shantanu, I'm afraid I'm going to have to come back to you because there's an audio issue. I'm going to come back to you in just a short moment because there's an audio issue, network issue. Mr. AK Jain, I want to come to you. You know, this whole debate revolves around the fact that the encounter is fake. I want to ask you, have encounters become the only acceptable norm or the only form to deliver justice quickly without following the process? Then an obvious question will be, why have the process in place? If it is so broken, do away with it.
Is it being broken every day? It's not. Have you heard of a raid in which a deputy SP level officer is going along with 50 people and they are going to arrest the man, a gangster, and they are waiting with guns and with automatic weapons to kill them. They collect their dead bodies so that they can be on fire. They loot the weapons of the police party. Have you heard of such a brutality? I had heard in a few cases of Naxalites, that Naxalites behave like this. System has made him so very powerful. Police did not raid the house for the last several years of this gangster. Deputy SP's fault was that he was against the illegal activity, land grabbing and other activities of this gangster. And that's why he was instigated by the local SO to eliminate CEO and the police party who dared to raid the place. So once this action on the part of criminal, in which eight of our policemen have lost their life, do you think that STF and police should not retaliate against the gang? They should just keep on sitting and wait for them to surrender in a court of law. So I fully agree with UP Police and STF that drastic action is required against this gangster also, against other gangsters also, and they should be brought to book. Till now, there was negligence by Kanpur police in this case. He was not kept in top 10 of the police station. in the top
No,
10.
Mr. A.K. Jain, if you allow me, the question that I want to ask you over here is this. Had he been alive and had we followed the process or the systems which we now conclude are broken, we would have had a 1%, a minuscule minority chance of knowing who his political masters are, who are the people who are creating the Vikas Dubes in the first place. Now we don't have that opportunity. We have eliminated one. But we have left the door ajar to create 100 more Vikas Dubes.
No. Okay. Have you got any leaks? Have you got any information since 1992 from this gangster? He has been arrested several times. He comes out on bail. People go and garland him. He's out on parole. Who is doing all this? Police is not doing it. Once police also realizes that yes, this man calls the shot in the area, he will get us posted. He will get us the plum posting. Then they run after him. Then they become the holes in the department. So system is to be blamed.
See, the point is, how do you end the systemic rot? And somewhere you need some shock value is the point that A.K. Jain is making. Smita Prakash very quickly, and then Mahesh Verma. And then Supriya.
Let me say something.
Sure, sir.
Supreme Court passed the judgment in Prakash Singh case that police should be given independence, just like judiciary. Indian judiciary enjoys independence. Why political parties? They are afraid of giving independence to police. Why do they want to keep them under their thumb all the time? Why political parties are not clamoring for independence to police?
Why don't I ask that question to Mr. Mahesh Verma? I can't think of a more appropriate person because he's in power at this moment. Mahesh Verma,
can I just come in?
Yeah, Smita, I'm going to come back to you. Just give me a minute because this is pertinent. Mahesh Verma, आपकी सरकार है, आपकी सरकार केंद्र में भी है और राज्य में भी है. बहुत पर्टिनेंट सवाल यहाँ पर पूछा है अभी पूर्व डीजीपी A.K. जैन ने. उनका ये कहना है कि जिस तरीके से जुडिशरी को आजादी है, उस तरीके से पुलिस को आजादी क्यों नहीं है? Our police act has not changed, not a comma has changed since the Britishers left. I know it's a huge subject of debate, but still.
नहीं, वो एक डीजीपी भी रहे, एक आईपीएस अफसर रहे, इतने लंबे टाइम तक उन्होंने देश की सेवा करी है. वो ये तो बताएं कि उनके हाथ कब बांध के रखे गए थे. ये कहना बड़ा आसान है. रिटायरमेंट के बाद आप ये बताइए ना. अच्छा होता, देश को बताइए कि आपके हाथ बांध के इस समय रखे गए थे, आप इस तरह से इन्फ्लुएंस थे, आपने इस तरह से इन्फ्लुएंस में अपनी सर्विस दी है. ये बात आपको ये कहते वक्त आपको हिचक नहीं होनी चाहिए. जब आप ये सब चीजों को आप ये लॉजिक दे रहे हैं कि हमेशा पुलिस के हाथ बांध के रखे जाते हैं. अरे साहब, पुलिस के हाथ अगर बांध के रखे जाते तो देश में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आप लोग कैसे संभाल पाते? आप लोगों को कैसे ये सुविधा मिलती? आप लोग कैसे गवर्नेंस दे पाते? अच्छे गवर्नेंस की आप कैसे दावा कर पाते? मैं पूछता हूं कि आज की डेट में
since a point has been made, since a point has been made, very quickly, right to reply to Mr. Jain. Mr. Jain, you have heard what the BJP spokesperson is saying. Yeah.
Yes. I have heard. I am just saying that there is a five judge bench judgment of Supreme Court. They have passed it on the
पुलिस रिफॉर्मेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, आप पुलिस एक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, जो कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट से उसके बारे में मुझे भी मालूम है सर. वो पूरी देश को मालूम है कि प्रकाश सिंह वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया में क्या हुआ था और क्या रिकमेंडेशन था.
Okay, one by one. No heckling, please. Quick response from Mr. Jain and then Smita Prakash. Yeah.
I am not challenging BJP. I am not challenging the spokesperson of BJP. I am just saying that recommendation of Supreme Court, 5 judges bench, why is it not being implemented?
If fingers are raised
if we start getting into specifics,
are raised on the police.
Mr. Verma, if you try to convince the whole country that the police is free and fair in what they want to do, I'm sure nobody in this country will believe you. Smita Prakash, she wanted to come in. Yes, Smita.
सर, हमें तो कानून में और संविधान में विश्वास है. आप
अगर
उसको नहीं मानते हैं तो मैं उसमें क्या कह सकता हूं?
How can it be broken? I think the copybook case is that it should be. It should just be picked up with the way that Bombay police broke the mafia back. Now, it is quite clear after listening to Mr. Jain and listening to the BJP spokesperson and listening to the judicial point of view, the thing is that convictions are low in this country because the quality of investigation is so poor, because the police doesn't have the infrastructure. It is so pathetic. They don't have cars. You saw the way it happened. He should have been brought by a helicopter, right? They don't have computers. They don't have phones. We don't have the manpower. We don't have investigating facilities, and that is why convictions don't happen. नहीं है तो किसने कहा ना? किसी ने नहीं कहा। ये सिर्फ यूपी के लिए नहीं है और 5 साल के लिए नहीं है। और कांग्रेस को तो मैं यही कहूंगी कि 20 साल से तो वो सरकार में नहीं है उत्तर प्रदेश में, तो वो तो बोले ही ना। तो विकास दुबे, one thing can be clear is that he has no connection with the Congress because they are so worthless in UP. He has connections with all political parties other than the Congress. Because what is the point? Congress can't give him anything in Uttar Pradesh. Maybe in the next few years if one of the Gandhis decides to contest. Otherwise there's nothing that is happening with the Congress. एक चीज साफ है, बाकी आप बीजेपी की बात करें, सपा की बात करें, बसपा की बात करें, किसी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की बात कर ले, बिना डॉन्स के कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वहां पे उत्तर प्रदेश में हो या भारत के किसी भी राज्य में सरवाइव नहीं कर सकती। पॉलिटिक्स का माफिया के साथ मिलजुल है।
That's right. Supriya, this is the sad reality, that one person's gangster is portrayed as the other person's Robin Hood for their community. You look at right now, I want to ask you, Supriya, and you would know this because you come from Uttar Pradesh, there is this underlying sentiment that Brahmins are being discriminated against under the UP regime, in the Yogi Adityanath regime. You think this is dangerous? And there are political parties who are trying to exploit this sentiment.
Sanket, let's keep caste as a debate for some other day.
Yeah, but if politicians could do the same.
That's what I'm saying. So let's discuss what we are discussing today.
No. It's very much a part of this. One of your own party members is doing this. Jitin Prasada has started off that he says that the Brahmins are being ill-treated under Yogi Raj. So how can you turn around and say that it's not happening?
Okay.
How can you turn around and say that this is not happening? It's not a caste issue. Why is it that everybody keeps saying Vikas and not Vikas Dubey or Dubey?
Supriya.
Smita, it was my turn to speak. I will appreciate if you've given your certificate on our political relevance in UP, if I can go ahead. Thank you very much. I will only say one question that needs to be answered by every panelist today. Are we aspiring to become an Afghanistan? We understand there is a fair amount of frustration with our judicial system. We understand police reforms are required, judicial reforms are required. We understand all of that. Keep all of those arguments aside, but what is our aspiration? Are we tomorrow, if there is a massive rape case in the country, are we going to tomorrow publicly execute perpetrators, or are we going to take the legal recourse? That's the question, which is the bottom line of the debate today. Why are we running away from that very question? And forget about, what happened, how he was encountered, fake encounter, extrajudicial. Forget about all of that. You put facts together, it is obviously a sloppy job. I don't know if it is ignorance on the part of the police or is it pure brazenness. They don't even want to cover the tracks. So it's perhaps a lot of that. All I'm saying is, in UP, encounter policy is the stated policy of the chief minister. He has said हम ठोको नीति अपनाएंगे, but उस ठोको नीति को अपनाने के बाद पिछले 3 साल में प्रदेश की कानून व्यवस्था का क्या भला हुआ है? इसका जवाब तो दें। औरतों के खिलाफ अपराध बढ़ रहे हैं, बच्चों के खिलाफ बढ़ रहे हैं, एल्डरली के खिलाफ बढ़ रहे हैं।
आपके कहने से बढ़ रहा है, आपके कहने से बढ़ रहा है। आप उसका कोई प्रूफ लेकर आई हैं? आप क्या बताना चाहती हैं? आप क्यों कंफ्यूज हैं? आपको चाहिए, हम आपको भेज देंगे। ग्राफ आधे से कम हुआ है। आप गलत आपके नेता भी वही बोलते हैं।
Okay, one by one. I think the point has been made. This conversation will degrade into something which I will not be able to control. Ghanshyam Tiwari, Mahesh Verma and Supriya Shene, please. My question was very, very different. Mahesh Verma and Supriya Shene. Order, please. Hard stop. One moment. Mahesh Verma and Supriya Shene.
जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का ध्वस्त हो रहा है वो आपकी पॉलिटिकल पैट्रोनेज का नतीजा है। सुनिए ये सच है।
Okay. The problem with this, one more. The problem with the shouting match is that my question remains unanswered.
आपको अगर छटपटाहट इस बात की है कि अपराध वहां है और अपराधियों का
Mahesh and Supriya, I will not be able to hold the debate like this.
पॉलिटिकल पेट्रियट
I will not be able to hold the debate like this.
आप कहिए
Please.
तकलीफ है, आपके पार्टी के लोग बोल ही रहे हैं।
तो आप अपनी पार्टी से निकाल नहीं पा रहे थे, चिन्मयानंद को आप बचाने पे तुले हुए थे, अपना मुंह बंद रखिए।
आप कहाँ चिन्मयानंद पे चली गई? वैसे तो कई
थोड़ी देर
Okay,
वैसे
okay.
पता
My
नहीं सैकड़ों
question,
लोग आपके साथ
Mahesh
जुड़े
Verma,
हुए
one
हैं
moment.
और उन लोगों
Order,
के-
please, order.
उनके बारे में, उनके चेहरे चाल चरित्र के बारे में आप
अरे
मेरे
आप लोग की बातें
से
करिए
खुलवाइए।
ना, आप लोग इधर
Good
उधर
Lord.
बात क्यों करते हैं? टॉक ऑन फैक्ट्स, टॉक ऑन फिगर्स, यू हैव नथिंग।
Mahesh Verma and Supriya Shene.
वही बताने आया था। मौका मिलेगा तो आप
Finally, I have very limited time and I want to ask my important question as of this moment. Ghanshyam Tiwari, Supriya hasn't answered that question. I want to ask you this. Do you think that this dangerous concoction of caste, khaki, khadi, religion and all of this to put to the benefit in the elections is what has led to a situation like this? He was
Well, I
benefiting the system, and even now the same thing is happening, that there are people who are using this episode to mobilize the Brahmins in the state. It's happening. I'm not
They
making
will
this
not
up.
be. They will not be able to do
I
it.
believe
Ghanshyam Tiwari.
that when you put Adityanath in charge and he look at his own crime record, the Keshav Prasad Maurya in charge, don't expect for a wonderful governance model. You expect a model of gangster where the police behaves as one gangster and gangsters in Uttar Pradesh behave in another way. The fake encounters, the way they have put out the names of various people, they have not strengthened the system. How will people who have risen in politics based on their crime records strengthen the political system? Mahesh Verma can interject anybody, but he will not refute that 150 BJP MLAs and MPs have criminal charges. My final point is BJP has led to a mobification of politics, where everything that can be passed off as a mob's voice can be cheered for. That has led to crowd lynching. That has
जी,
led
आप
to
बहुत जल्दी भूल जाते हैं
support
कि
for
पार्लियामेंट में
crowd.
जब इसी-
Please don't interrupt.
इसी-
Mahesh Verma, you are not a child in a school that you have to be cautioned every time. Please respect your own dignity.
मैं
Please respect
बहुत
your own
अदब
dignity.
के साथ
You are not a
विनम्रता
child
के
to
साथ आपसे ये
interject
बात
and
कहना
this is
चाहता हूँ
not your-
कि आप
this is not your private dialogue.
आप देश
Please
के
respect.
Okay,
प्रबुद्ध लोगों
okay,
को-
I've run out of time.
चाहिए कि कब बोलना है नहीं बोलना है.
I
आप
attempted
नहीं है,
twice.
बहुत
वैसे
अच्छा
बता
Smita
दीजिए.
Prakash,
बहुत
Ghanshyam
अच्छा
Tiwari,
आप
Mahesh
बोलते
Verma,
हैं,
Supriya
आप
Shene,
बोलते हैं,
as well as
आप
AK
बोलते हैं,
Jain.
लोगों का कुछ भला
आप लोग
करिए।
बोलेंगे,
Thank you,
आप
all of
दूसरे
you
को
all.
बोलिए.
I'll have
बुद्धि
hard
का
stop on
व्यवस्था
this
दीजिए.
debate. I've run out of time.
देश के लोगों का
My
भला
limited
सोचना
point.
चाहिए
Hard
आपको।
stop on this debate. Thank you so much.
पार्टी से
Ladies
ऊपर
and
थोड़ा
gentlemen,
सा
thank you
उठ
so
के
much
बात
for
करिए।
participating in this debate.
अपराध और अपराधी।
Towards the end,
Thank you.
all that we want to say at this moment, we made 2 attempts to ask the most important question of glamorizing or perhaps using situations like these in a caste concoction in a state like Uttar Pradesh. It's all politics. It's a no-brainer. It's elementary. This is all politics. It's still happening, even with the death of Vikas Dubey. And is that not dangerous? Because then we are basically creating the recipe for 100 more Vikas Dubey. It's a wrap in this edition of The Big Fight. News continues on the other side. Good night.